looking at an insurance policy, there would be a line item for cyber attacks. Well, guess what? Just yesterday, I did as much. And it hit me like a 2x4 between the eyes. It's real. It's out there. What do we do about it? Think about it. Many of us are working from home. We're using the internet, and that opens us up to all kinds of problems potentially. I mean, think about it. How many of you have been impacted by credit card fraud or phishing, things of that nature? It can happen to us in the commercial real estate world, and Mike Barnum is here to tell us how we can better protect ourselves.
Bill, that threat has lots of companies, including real estate companies and our tenants, looking for cyber insurance. That insurance is becoming harder to get and more expensive. Mike Barnum is with Bankers Insurance.
In the old days, and when I say old days, I'm talking maybe a year or two ago, this was a luxury coverage, something that just in case something would happen. Now it's not a matter of if you're going to have a claim, it's when. We're seeing so many claims right there, and it's not just the large, targets of the world. It's small mom and pop shops. They're more apt to get hacked than the bigger companies.
To put it into some perspective, Mike says that from 2018 to 2019, claims for cyber attacks went up 239%. It doesn't include this pandemic year with the added challenge of many of us logging in from home.
But with the number of folks that are working remote versus in the office, just increases exponentially the vulnerability of people's networks and the hacking that's going on. So claims are going through the roof right now.
So what can you do? Lots of companies are bringing in third-party consultants to train their team what to look for in dangerous emails. Not only can these consultants train your team, they can test them. They'll send phony phishing emails to see who clicks on them and might need more training. If you go the extra step of bringing in these outside trainers, the insurance companies will appreciate that. And they are going to look under the hood before they issue a cyber policy.
In order to get coverage, it used to be 3 questions. Now it can be as long as 3 or 6 pages of questions in order to get approved to get a quote.
We'll follow that under a pound of prevention is better than a pound of the cure. And that's it for today's Face Facts. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you will join us next week. And if there's a topic that you'd like for us to cover, shoot us a line. We'll do our best to cover it. And have a great week.